How to get an AI job in 2025. AI is taking over the world. From self-driving cars to ChatGPT, AI is creating millions of high-paying jobs. And guess what? You don't need a CS degree to get hired. Rocket. In this video, I'll show you how to break into AI, the best skills to learn, top job roles, and where to apply. Let's get started. AI is the fastest growing job sector right now. By 2025, over 97 million AI jobs will be available worldwide. Companies like Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, and even startups are hiring AI experts, but they care more about skills than degrees. Average AI salaries in 2025: entry-level AI jobs, $60,000, $90,000; mid-level AI jobs, $90,000, $140,000; senior AI engineers, $150,000, $200K plus. Section 2. Top AI job roles in 2025. Let's talk about the best AI job roles for 2025 and what they do. Machine Learning Engineer builds AI models using Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch 2. NLP Engineer works with ChatGPT style AI, speech-to-text 3. Computer Vision Engineer creates facial recognition, self-driving tech 4. AI Data Scientist analyzes data to build AI-powered insights 5. MLOps Engineer deploys AI models in cloud environments. Which one excites you the most? Comment below. Skills you need to get an AI job. Okay, so what skills do you actually need? Here's your AI learning roadmap. Programming: learn Python and SQL. Machine learning basics: regression, neural networks, deep learning, TensorFlow, PyTorch. AI model deployment: AWS, Google Cloud, Azure. AI tools: ChatGPT, Hugging Face, OpenAI. Pro tip: you can learn all of this for free on Coursera, Udemy, and Kaggle. Section 4. Where to learn AI. Wondering where to learn AI? Check these out. Books, free AI learning platforms, Black Tick Mark, Coursera, Andrew Ng's ML course, Black Tick Mark, Kaggle, AI competitions, free datasets, Black Tick Mark, Hugging Face, AI models, NLP tools, Black Tick Mark, YouTube AI tutorials from experts. Tip: start with small AI projects and build your portfolio on GitHub. Section 5. How to apply for AI jobs. Once you're ready, start applying for AI jobs. Here's where to look. AI job boards, LinkedIn. Follow AI companies' AI-specific job sites like jobs.net, Google, OpenAI, Tesla. Career pages, Black Tick Mark, freelancing on Upwork, Fiverr. Section 6. AI side hustles, earn while you learn. Want to make money while learning AI? Try these side hustles. 1. AI freelancing, sell AI-powered tools on Fiverr, Upwork. 2. AI YouTube channel, teach AI basics, get monetized. 3. AI blogging, write about AI, earn with ads. 4. AI trading bots, use LSTM models for stock predictions. AI is the future, and you can be part of it. Conclusion and call to action. AI is changing the world, and now is the best time to get started. Don't wait, pick a skill, start learning, and apply for AI jobs today. Comment below, what AI job excites you the most? Subscribe for more AI career tips and tutorials. Finally, understand that AI will create 10 million jobs by 2030.